pura llantita. En un pueblito de Texas se ve ruletear. Ya empezó el fiestón, tráiganse un cartón de cerveza helada para andar viernes velados. Que el sol se salga para disfrutar de la vida, porque solo tenemos una que mi Dios nos dio y hay que gozarlo. Que solo hay 24 horas para andar bien tranquilos.
Well, what are we up to today?
Hey, at a truck meet, just getting some footage here by. Were we by Northside?
Yeah.
We're by Northside.
They had to change place because what, bro?
Ah, pinche cops pulled up. They were taking pictures and shit. Yeah. Got some badass trucks here.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch over there, bro.
Yeah. Record them over. Yeah, we put that here.
I'll go walk around, bro.
They won't say shit.
Huh?
Porque como that one over there looks like my Tories or one of our cousins. He got a cam, crew cab.
Huh? Hola chingo de mozo. Huh?
What's your part? Ours to be here better, right? Hey, she
Ask it.
Like this one. Feliz.
Dope, bro.
And over there by Rockwood, if you go to Rockwood or what's it at? The other one? Hartman Field, they be doing burnouts, donuts, and everything.
Really?
Back on the
We need to go. We need to go.
Where? Oh, it's usually Wednesdays and Sundays.
Yeah?
Usually Wednesdays and Sundays.
Let's go record some. Woo.
And it'd be better when you're in a crew. Or that we're riding lonely with it.
Yeah. Hey, that one's fucking nice, bro. We got the lightning right there. Do you know about that? Hey, the lights and shit. Yeah.
You know those cows no con los palos aquí?
Nah, they won't say nothing.
I've worked on a Chevy 1900, just sitting on a Strada. Yeah, the Strada Retros.
Oh yeah. They're similar to those, but they don't got things.
It's got bags.
I you, bro.
For YouTube, bro, you just vlogging or what?
Yeah.
See my truck? Yeah.
Show. Abraham.
How far is that?
I'm sorry?
Oh, no, where you from?
Oh, Fort Worth, bro. Yeah, Fort Worth. What about you?
Here too, bro?
Yeah? Yeah, I stay right here on Riverside.
Riverside?
Yeah. Show us a little bit about your truck, bro.
Alright, guys. It's a GMC, 99 GMC. We have headers, intake, tune, throttle body, and a bill over end.
How much you pushing in the wheels?
I haven't done it yet. I'm gonna do it whenever I get my intros.
And like, what you think you pushing?
Probably like in the 300s, 320.
That's pretty fast.
I think they come in stock, they come in like 250 in stock.
Can we hear the engine, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah. Hey bro, show me that Rolls Royce ceiling. Woo!
sir.
That shit's fucking nice.
Hey, hit up Lightning or Us on Instagram.
I'm sorry?
Lightning or Us on Instagram.
Where do you have it?
Oh shit, I don't even have them. Fuck, I don't even have them, bro. But yeah, just look them up on Lightning or Us on Instagram. Then hook it up, bro.
Hell yeah, that shit looks very nice.
This is my homeboy that passed away, Pache.
Oh yeah.
Little logo. But yeah, besides that, bro, he does some badass.
Yeah, that shit is fucking clean, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, the engine sounds good, bro, like in good ass shape.
It is in good shape, yeah.
Right.
You're the one that hosted all this, or?
Yeah, I'm the host of all of this, bro.
Yeah.
That's badass.
Yeah, bro.
Fucking dope ass fucking truck. Look, let me show you mine, bro. Hey, bro, you should show us your truck, bro.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah.
So I actually bought this truck from my homeboy. Many of y'all know him. His Instagram is @NBSGeo. So I bought this truck from him. So yeah, I bought it. We were at my house and just tingling down. We bought it. So it's a NBS. It's a 2000. It's a 2000. It's a static drop. I got a 6.5. I mean, my bad. It has fucking 11.5 in the front on the rear, and then the front has like a 5.5 or 6 in the front. 6.5. I don't really know. I didn't really.
What color are you gonna paint it, bro? You're still working on that?
Nah, I already know the color. If you my homeboys and you go to school with me, you know the color because I told y'all. But the people on here, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna do
It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's
a reveal.
surprise.
Wait on it,
Next
guys.
video,
Hey.
That's what people already know. Like, if you go to my school, I already told you, or my brother knows. But if you don't, you gotta wait on it. It's a pretty clean cutter.
I can't wait to do that transformation video, bro.
I hope you like this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow us on our Instagram @the Garcia Twins. Y'all comment down below where trying to see Nicks, burnouts, coming to truck meets, projects, racing, whatever. Just let us know. Comment down below. We'll see you for the next time. Peace.
Hell yeah.